Mr. Cat, the father of the family. This is Mr. Cat's wife. The first child of the family is Sally. The second child of the family is Nick, but who's missing? It's Benny! There was a kitten and his name was Benny. Benny wanted to go to the pet store to go get a new pet. When they got to the pet store, the first thing they saw was dogs, but they were too expensive to buy. Next, it was the rabbits. The rabbits were very, very cute. Benny has got enough money to buy a rabbit, but he doesn't want to. But Sally loves the rabbit so much. I don't want a rabbit! Then they went to the parrot. Benny loved the parrot. He wanted to buy one. Then they heard something. It was a cat chasing a parrot.
Come back here, you silly parrot!
The parrot landed on Benny's head. Benny wanted to buy him.
Looks like you made a new friend.
Silly smacker! The next morning, Benny asks his friend Blackie to come play. Do you want to come over and play today?
Yes, please.
Then they play their favorite game. Run away from the pirates with their treasure. Come back with our treasure!